Find Air app, pretty smart app, the Bluetooth and AirPods finder. Lost your headphones, smartwatch, find them fast, locate Bluetooth devices, earphones, watches, trackers. So easily find Bluetooth devices with Find Air. Never lose track of your valuable devices and gadgets. Again, whether you need to find AirPods, earbuds, Bluetooth headphones, Apple devices, this device finder helps you track them instantly with an easy-to-use Bluetooth scanner to locate and find your lost Bluetooth device with precision. So all-in-one app. You don't need all of these, different apps from different companies. For example, there is Find My iPhone app on iOS, but for example, if you have smartwatch from Samsung, AirPods, and iPhone, you don't want to have like three different apps on three different phones. You can just use this app and all your Bluetooth devices can be tracked in one app. So quite smart. Then you can just open it up and then you can use Bluetooth. In here, you can allow apps to track sources, Sky possibilities. Okay, $10 per week, quite expensive though. So just connect Bluetooth. And yeah, you will be able to find a lot of devices around you. So here you can see some devices where they are, and then you can then just move closer to that device and the percentage will become higher. So then, yeah, you can see like headphones, you can see some other devices. Some of the devices though are being tracked 2 times. Maybe these are chargers or something like that. But yeah, you have that. And then again, if you find a device, you just move with your phone closer to that device and the percentage is growing. So if it's 0%, it means you're far away. If it's 100%, it means you are literally holding your phone near that device. So super easy to use. You don't even need to create an account and then it just works. So really nice app.